Welcome, this is Quartz with AZ Tech Doctors. Thank you for joining our channel. In this video, you will see us replacing a 2019 Macbook Pro screen that was broken from one of our clients. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. We did speed up the video a little bit. This video is like a 30-minute long video. I might end up posting a 30-minute long video as well, so you can see that. But please enjoy the video. Make sure you like, subscribe to our channel, and comment below if you guys have any questions or want to send your MacBook in for this repair. Right now I had to get up and put the light on my tripod because it was kind of dark in this area, so I had to turn on some extra light so I could be able to see those screws. There's a ton of screws that's in this MacBook Pro. I think probably around 25 to 30 screws you have to remove just to replace the screen on this MacBook. Alright, so right here I'm putting back in the battery connector and making sure that connection is pretty good. Once I get done with that, I am going to try to power on the laptop. As you can see, the laptop didn't turn on, and it didn't display anything on the screen, so I decided to plug it into power to make sure that it was charged, because it was on like 10% before we started, and there we go. It powered up and we was all good. That powered up and everything looked good, so I unplugged the charger, blew out the fan a little bit because it was kind of dusty. I put back in the extra screws, make sure that all those are good. Then after that, we popped back on the back case and we was all finished up with this repair. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We are trying to build our channel up. We will be posting a lot of more YouTube videos on a lot of more different topics, and a lot of more different repairs, even networking stuff. Again, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is pretty good for you.